Hey Gear Lab fam! Ready to unlock the ultimate outdoor adventure experience? Whether you're hiking, camping, or prepping for survival, today's video drops the top 20 game-changing products you need right now. From keeping warm and cooking, like a pro, to pure water on demand and tech gadgets that never quit, I'm breaking down the gear that will make your next trip unforgettable. Stick around till the end, because I'm revealing hidden features on some of these, plus exclusive Amazon deals you don't want to miss. Let's dive in and level up your outdoor game, starting with something cozy and reliable. First, let's talk comfort. The Oaskys camping sleeping bag isn't just any sleeping bag. It's a 3-season powerhouse built to keep you cozy in Tong from 50 to 68 degrees. Lightweight, waterproof, with breathable anti-tear polyester. It's your perfect companion for spring, summer, and fall camping. Bonus: adjustable hood and ventilation zippers mean you stay comfy, not sweaty. Trust me, a good night's sleep makes or breaks your trip. What's your favorite camping season? Comment below spring, summer, or fall. Next up, meet the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp stove, a 2-burner propane beast that boils water in just over 3 minutes. Imagine whipping up a hot meal or coffee faster than your buddies can say, "Ready to eat." It's lightweight, folds neatly, and even lets you daisy-chain stoves for big group feasts. If you love cooking outdoors, this is your new best friend. Want to see a quick Jetboil cook demo? Hit that like button, and I'll drop a full cooking guide next. Planning a road trip or SUV adventure? The Yakimal CBX 16 cargo box packs in 16 cubic feet of GearThink tents, coolers, fishing poles, while being ultra aerodynamic to save fuel. Dual-sided access means no more crawling around the car, and it locks up tight for peace of mind. It's rugged, water-resistant, and backed by a lifetime warranty, perfect for families or solo travelers. Ever had to leave gear behind because of no space? Share your story. Nothing ruins a trip faster than bad water. The GRAYL GeoPress purifies in 8 seconds flat, wiping out viruses, bacteria, chemicals, you name it. Fill it from any fresh water source, press down, and you're sipping crystal clear H2O BPA-free. And drop tested up to 6 feet. This bottle is a lifesaver literally. Ever had to filter your water on the go? Drop a yes or no below. Blunt knives? No thanks. The SHARPAL 101N sharpener is a survivalist dream. Diamond rod, fire starter, emergency whistle, all packed into a pocket-sized tool. It's fast, precise, and perfect for hunters, campers, or anyone who needs to keep their blades razor sharp in the wild. What's the sharpest knife you own? Let's talk blades in the comments. When you need one tool to do it all, the Giriatus 16-in-1 Multitool has got your back. Axe, hammer, pliers, saw, screwdriver, bottle opener, whistle, and more. Compact, durable, and ready for anything. It's the ultimate gift for outdoorsy dads, hunters, and explorers. Who else loves multi-tools? Smash that subscribe if you want more survival gear reviews. Meet the Lightseeker 4 Pro to 4,600 lumens of pure brightness with USB-C charging and waterproof design. Whether you're camping, searching, or handling emergencies, this beast lights up the darkest nights and withstands the roughest drops. It's compact, rechargeable, and built to last. What's your go-to flashlight brand? Let's light up the chat! No power? No problem. The Nebo Ramler 100 packs 94.4 watt-hours capacity with 5 charging outputs USB-A, USB-C, 100 WAC port, so you can juice up laptops, phones, even run floodlights. It's TSA approved and charges fast. Perfect for off-grid. Adventurers who don't want to be powerless. Would you use this for camping or emergencies? Comment power up. If yes, camping just got cooler, literally. The ISOC APL35 fridge keeps your food fresh from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit with dual zone control. Weighing only 32 pounds. It's quiet. Durable aluminum build runs on 12 or 24 volts DC or 110 volts AC. Think of it as your portable. Fridge and freezer in one, a must-have for long trips. What's your favorite camping snack to keep cold? Share below. Charge your devices anywhere with the Dark Energy Spectre solar panel. Waterproof, crush-proof, and ultra-lightweight, it packs 18 watts power with USB-A and USB-C ports. The built-in sun meter and removable kickstand optimize charging even on cloudy days. Perfect for hikers, campers, and solar lovers. Who else loves eco-friendly tech? Hit the thumbs up. This isn't just an axe. It's a lifetime tool. Handcrafted in the USA with high-carbon steel and a laser-cut solar matte finish. Perfect for chopping, bushcraft, hunting, and survival. Plus, it comes with a premium leather sheath made by Amish Craftsman. This is rugged gear for serious outdoorsmen. Which would you choose, axe or machete? Comment your pick. Lightweight and tough, the cubic titanium stove weighs less than 7 ounces and folds down the paper thin for your pack. It burns wood you find around camp, so no fuel worries. It's perfect for backpackers and survivalists who value simplicity and durability. Ever cooked on a wood stove? Tell us your favorite camping meal. The CRKT Skeet Gox is the tactical axe designed for survival pros. Full-time SK to 5 carbon steel blade, glass reinforced nylon handle, and multiple grip options. It's light, tough, and ready for everything from chopping wood to self-defense. Axes or hatchets? What's your weapon of choice? Discuss below. Elevate your camp cooking with the Encamp folding knife. Razor sharp 9CR18 MOV steel blade and comfy wooden handle. Compact, corrosion resistant, and perfect for food prep in the wild. Comes with a sheath or drawstring bag for easy carry. What's your go-to camping meal? Drop your recipes in the comments. Fuel your stove or heater with the Ignic 5-pound propane tank. Refillable, DOT approved with adapter hose and rugged carry case. Perfect for camping, boating, and tailgates. Never run out of fuel again. Do you prefer propane or campfires? Let us know your choice. Nothing beats fresh coffee outdoors, and the Yeti Ramler French press delivers. Double wall vacuum insulation keeps your brew hot while the grounds control filter ensures no grounds in your cup. Dishwasher safe and rugged stainless steel. It's coffee perfection in the wild. Coffee lovers, what's your favorite outdoor brew? Comment below. Solo adventurers, this one's for you. The Campo 10 is waterproof, windproof, and quick to set up in just 3 minutes. It's spacious enough for tall campers with UV and fire retardant fabric. Lightweight and tough, your perfect shelter from storms or sun. Ever camp solo? Share your best solo camping tip. This light does it all. Adjustable brightness, USB charging for your devices, and a long-lasting lithium battery. Great for camping, emergencies, or outdoor events. It's your multi-purpose lifeline after dark. Want a full review on this light? Smash the like and comment light. Say goodbye to pesky mosquitoes with this tiny, rechargeable repeller that heats pads to 329 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 30 feet of protection. It doubles as a camping light with adjustable brightness and magnets to attach anywhere. Lightweight, water resistant, and perfect for all your outdoor escapes. Who hates bugs more? Raise your hand. Comment bug OFF if you agree. Last but definitely not least, the Lifesaver Jerrycan purifies up to 20,000 liters of water, removing viruses, bacteria, and parasites with ultrafiltration. Rugged, heavy-duty, and perfect for overlanding, emergencies, and serious survival. Setups. If you want to never worry about clean water again, this is your lifesaver. Link below to grab yours today. Alright Gear Lab Explorers, those were the 20 best outdoor essentials you need to gear up for your next adventure or emergency. Every product featured today has a direct Amazon link in the description. Don't wait, these deals won't last forever. Smash that like if you found your new favorite gear, drop a comment telling us which product you're adding to your pack, and hit subscribe for more expert reviews and outdoor hacks every week. Until next time, stay safe, stay wild, and keep exploring with Gear Lab.